Hey everyone! In this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to check or view the total assets of a company on Google Finance. Understanding total assets is important because it gives you insight into the overall size and financial health of a company, which investors often consider when analyzing stability and growth potential. Once Google Finance is opened up, go to the search bar at the top and search for a stock or company of your choice. For this example, I'll use the ticker symbol DO for Dollarama. After selecting the stock, scroll down to the bottom until you see the Financial section. Make sure the income statement isn't selected. Instead, switch to Balance Sheet using the drop-down menu. Here, you can check either quarterly or annual numbers. If you scroll down to where it says Total Assets, you'll see the total amount of assets the company owns. For Dollarama, this shows $6.56 billion, along with a year-on-year change of 16.59%, giving a quick view of growth or contraction. This simple display also includes other key balance sheet data, like liabilities and equity, which can help investors understand how the company is funded and how efficiently it manages its resources. And that's it. Very simple and straightforward. This is how you can view the total assets of any company on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps you make more informed financial decisions and better understand company fundamentals.